Hello, Lindsay here. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to the channel. Today we have some Texas toast. I'm going to be making some French toast. The thick Texas toast makes it the best. Some ground cinnamon. I have my Crisco to spray my pan, 3 eggs, and some milk. We're going to go ahead and get started. Our pan is heating. So we're going to start off by putting the 3 eggs into a shallow bowl. So next we're going to take our milk. I use Horizon Organic at my house. We're going to add a splash of milk into there. And then I'm going to take my ground cinnamon. I just have a store brand from Safeway. And sprinkle the cinnamon. You can add more or less to your preference. And then whisk it all together. Break all those eggs up. If you have it mixed up, it'll look something like this. Smells pretty good. I might add in a little bit more cinnamon, haven't decided. I'm gonna take my Texas toast that I have and we're gonna dunk it into this egg wash mixture. Coating it really well. And then you're gonna throw it onto your greased pan. I already sprayed my pan. And now that I have all of my bread on my pan, you see how this one right here has a lot of cinnamon. This one has cinnamon, but then towards the end it doesn't have as much. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly, because this is very flavorful, use a light hand to dust it. Don't just dump it with cinnamon. So I have my French toast cooking, and it's similar to pancakes. You're just going to let the eggs cook, and then you're going to flip it. See, flip that first one. You see how nice and golden that is? Flip this second one. It's hard to do with one hand, I apologize. See that beautiful color? That one I'm going to let cook for a minute longer. So here's my French toast. I'm going to remove it from the heat, put some butter on it with some syrup, and there you have it, 5-minute breakfast. 5-minute breakfast French toast.